Hello, this video is going to remind you of how to put a summative into Lumens. So I'm going to say that this is the activity for which I'm going to add the summative. In the description, I want to write the word summative in here as an indication that this is the activity that contains the summative on the tabs. Remember that the top part of this has to be filled out and saved and finished, or saved and edited until before I can use any of these tabs down here. Okay. Also, the second thing that you have to remember is that whenever you are using any of these tabs down here, that the save for them is always at the bottom, and sometimes that thing is hidden like so, even though we're not at a spot to do save and finish. But always the last thing you should do is scroll down and use the bottommost save and finish. All right, summatives are going to be put onto this Teacher Strategies tab. So I'm going to add new, and then I'm going to leave it on assess because this is an assessment that I'm adding. Let's say this is my third unit, so I'm going to put a sequence of 30. We always want to do multiples of 10. And now all this is doing is giving me a chance to go to the strategy document. But if you look, I can't click on strategy document tab, so I need to save and edit first. And now I can go to the strategy documents tab, and this will allow me to attach the document. So I'm going to say add new, and I need to upload, and so that gives me this, and I'm going to choose a file, and that takes me to these familiar places. Let's say this particular assessment is under, okay, so I just look through and find the particular file that has my assessment. Let's see, there it is, Unit 5 Summative Assessment. So I'm going to hit, I choose it and I hit open, and then I'm going to upload file. Okay, and there is that file. Now this document name, this is, what do I want to call this? What is the name of this? So I can use that exact same document name if I want, or I can change it. Okay. Summative assessment, doesn't know what the word summative means, that's okay. And now this document is right there. And so all I have to do, I can clear it if I don't, if I look at it and I go, oops, that's the wrong one, I can clear it right then and upload again. Or I can save and finish. Notice that these are the ones at the bottom that I'm going to choose. So I'm going to choose save and finish. And now that Unit 5 summative is under the Teacher Strategy tab. So if I went to District Key Skills, there's my District Key Skills. I must have chosen the bottom save and finish. And then Teacher Strategy, if I click on there, there is my assessment. So it can be gotten to that easily. One last thing. Notice that we can only put documents that are saved on your computer someplace, and there is no tab yet for a URL, but I have asked for that, so hopefully they will get that. But if not, what you do is you just make yourself a Word document and paste that URL into that Word document and upload the Word document. So there is an easy workaround. So okay, and that's all there is to it. Let me know if you need any help. Thanks.